Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a little unboxing video for you guys. Sorry about that. But yeah, it is on the Beyblade God custom set. The character me, of course. I was actually missing one, this Beyblade right here, K-Nox. So yeah. There's a closer look. And also I have another one of these guys and parts. Here's the back on, and it's kind of bent, but I don't mind. Yeah. Bearing is going to be fun. And let me get my knife, if I can find one. Oh. Wow. My knife blend. Oh god. Oh. Knife blended with my game stuff. Okay. Oh god. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's see what these guys look like. I mean, up close. I actually never got this set when it came out. Oh yeah. Oh. Here's the stickers. Oh god. I'm going to be putting stickers soon. Okay, let's go to the parts. Oh god. I like this color blue. Oh god. Here's the tool. Okay, let's get the fastener combo out. Ooh, yay. Yeah, okay, so yeah, have a fastener. Oh god, hold up. There's 7 driver, and that's all Zephyr, and another star. So. These are probably going to be put into parts. I have a parts bin. Ooh. Wow, okay, that's pretty strong teeth. Let's get on to the second 3-color. Wyvern. Another middle thing. Let's get the one. Oh god. Whatever this one was called, I'm not gonna say it because I'm probably gonna butcher it. Now let's get into the main events. Okay. And it's time to spawn. So here's the 2 releases. Let's get to the next one. The unstickered one. Oh god. Oh my god damn, 2. Yay, another bump in Atomic. So I'm happy about that. Atomic is amazing. It's a brand new one, so. Oh God. Let's get the atomic. Ooh yeah. Oh God, that's gonna be OP. What's the next one? Canox. Ooh. These two. This is the main one I actually got for the set. If this will get out, I'll be happy. Okay, there we go. There we go with the parts right here. And finally, let's get the disc out. If the disc won't give me any problems, they are. Okay, that's 4, so. Goddamn, sorry, my phone's going off. Okay, there we go. Canox. Still weak, but gorgeous baby. Nothing else. What? Now it's only number 2. That's. Yeah. Oh yeah. Jeez, sorry about that, guys. Let me actually zoom in. Okay. Bump is one of my favorite discs. Frames. Still weak as ever. But yeah. Okay, so let me put on the stickers and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, I'm back. So yeah, here's Canox. Put on the stickers. Fafnir. And Wyvern. If you're wondering why I don't have him, it's because I might be selling him. I'm not sure yet. So stay tuned, I might be selling. And also with the stickers. So yeah. Stay tuned. And also, if I do have a eBay thing, I might sell it on there. Just to let you guys know. If you want to know the name of the account I have, so you can buy it. It is Jacob, and it's a JACO. Run is RUNDL 9 is my profile. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.